Good morning, everyone. My name is Kim Carlisle.
And I'm Sarah Carlisle.
And we have a shop full of Heisey glassware.
We're located just north of Indianapolis, Indiana.
And our shop is open at this time by appointment only.
So please get a pencil and paper ready. We're going to show you our email address in a minute.
This morning's video is another edition of Half Price Thursday.
Half Price Thursdays, where we pull items out of the shop or storage.
And we put them on a table outside this room, and everything will be sold for one half the price that's marked on it.
So if you're ready, we're going to show you our email address.
Again, my name is Kim Carlisle.
And I'm Sarah Carlisle.
And the email address is the letter K, C-A-R-L-I-S-L.
At att.net.
And there is no E on the end of Carlisle on that email address. I'm going to give you a quick little preview of our shop. We have 18 cases and 9 tables, chock full of Heisey glassware. We do buy Heisey, one piece or an entire collection. So if you know someone that has any Heisey for sale, please have them get in contact with us and maybe we can buy it. For this morning's video, we can combine several weeks of videos, so we're not sending you maybe a box with just a salt cellar in it. We can put several pieces in that box before you ship it. We ship it to you. So if you're ready, Sarah and I are going to back out of this room and we're going to give you a preview of what is on the table this morning. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to another edition of Half Price Thursday. If you haven't joined us before, this is easy. All you have to do is send us a email. We'll send you our phone number and you can start buying stuff off of us. Either that or just ask for it in an email. Anyway, we can put several pieces in a box before we ship it. That means we can combine several weeks of video. So I'm going to give you a quick little preview of what's on the table this morning. If you see anything you're interested in, you can call, text, or email. Just remember that calls and texts do come in quicker than emails do. At the end of this, we're going to tell you about a show we're going to be doing in Dearborn, Michigan in November. A little bit of advanced notice here, but okay, Sarah, let's get started. What have we got?
First item today is a pair of thumbprint and panel 2-light candle holders, and they're $27.50 for the pair.
And when we say that's $27.50 for the pair, that's about $13 and a quarter for the pair after the discount. Here we have a couple colonial puff boxes and covers. One of them is a hair receiver, has a hole in it. What's the price on those, Sarah?
$8 each.
$8 a piece, so that's $4 a piece after the discount.
Here we have a plain band toy butter. On the lid it says Clara 1898 and it's $75.
Beaded panel and sunburst toothpick holder, fair gold on it, $45.
We have a narrow flute in rim nut cup and it's $15.
Footed nut cup. Here we have a piece here. It looks like the old pattern, pointed oval and diamond point, but it's got little balls around the outside edge. I think this is kind of a remake of the pattern in the 1950s. $20, one available. It's a butter dish, I think, a little butter pat.
Here we have a Greek key little nappy, and it's $10.
Here's a Greek key. It's a sherbet, but it's really a wide sherbet, and it's $10, only one available.
Here we have a creamer and sugar with a nice little cutting on it. Both marked, and for the set it's $17.50.
Queen Anne dolphin footed mint dish has a pretty little cutting on it, $5.
Here we have 2 Greek key master nuts or Texas nuts, and it's $40 each.
Cabochon goblet, south wind cutting, 3 available, $15 a piece.
Here we have 1 fish bookend. It does have a little chip right here on the base, but it's only $30.
Tricorn candle holders. Aren't these different looking? They have this red purple stain, and the stain doesn't exactly match on each one of these, but we bought them together. There was a place up in upper New York that had nuns in it, and they bought Heisey blanks and they decorated them, then they sold them out of their gift shop. Anyway, this is $150 for the pair. Very unique looking pair. Never seen them before.
Next we have the Crystalite 2-light candelabras. They have the nice prisms and bobochets with them, and it's $65.
And the bottom of that, can we see the bottom a little bit there, Sarah? Turn it up. See, the bottom of it is a little bit frosted. They made those sometimes so it kind of shine through. Warwick Hornet Plenty. This is about a 7 or 8 inch vase. We have a pair of them. Well, these are $15 a piece. You can take 1 or 2. And we have the Master Hornet Plenty floral bowl. And how much is that, Sarah?
$23.
Why don't you pick that up so you can get a look at it, see what it looks like. There you go. How much was it?
$23.
$23. Where'd that $3 come from?
Here is a perfume with Windsor cutting on it. It has the short stopper in it. They did make it in both ways, but it's only $65. Clean on the inside.
Narrow flute, cruet. I think it's a 6-ounce original stopper. Clean on the inside, 30 bucks.
Waverly cordial with a swirl optic in it, $30.
Do the next one too.
A Sheffield cordial.
Jamestown cordial, Sheffield cut.
Sheffield cutting on Jamestown cordial, and it's $30.
One available. Here we have a Gascony fruit cocktail with ambassador etching. Don't see that etching very often. $18. One available. I think the creamer and sugar. Did we get those right in front there, Sarah?
Yes.
We did, okay.
We have 2 salt cellars next. We have a footed one, and it is marked on the bottom. It's $20. And then we have a Puritan one, and it's $8.
What's the pattern on that? Glenford. It's a Glenford shot glass. It's in Flamingo, $45. Then we have 6 Glenford wines, or they're 2.5-ounce wines, and they're $25 a piece.
We have 4 narrow flute nut cups in Flamingo, and they're $15 a piece.
A Yeoman. Looks like a centered handle sandwich plate, but the sides have been pulled up on it. Has Windsor cutting on it. It's $65, signed right on the handle.
Next we have a swan that has the tip of its wings cracked.
And behind the neck, it's been cracked right behind the neck. I always tell you to look behind the neck in case you get bumped. Hard to see there, but there's a crack behind the neck. How much is it, Sarah?
$45.
And it fluoresces and it's marked with a diamond H. All right, Duquesne, Goblet, Sahara, Chintz etching.
4 available, $25 each.
Coors, probably about 10 or 12-ounce soda glass. We have 6 of them available, and they're 20 bucks a piece.
We have 2 nut cups available, one with the dolphin footed feet. One has a nice little cutting on it. It's $18. And then we have a plain one for $15.
And the plain one, is it Queen Anne or is it Empress?
It's Empress.
Empress, okay. All right, look close here, folks. I don't know the name of this pattern. I think it's called Cane. It's called a half-pint pitcher, marked in the center of the bottom. Custard glass, says Hillsdale, Wisconsin, for a souvenir on it, and $65.
We have a ladle marked in the center of with the diamond H, and it's $12.50.
Now we have 3 Coors soda glasses. These 3 have the same color moongleam foot. One of them has a little nick on the inside of the rim. The other 2 are fine. They're $25 for the 3. And then we have one that the color of the base is just a little bit different on it. And it's $15.
Next, we have a Spanish stem goblet with titanium etch on the bowl, and it's $55.
Rooster vase, no problem with this one. Price is $37.50.
Fighting rooster. The beak of it has been
It's got a chip on the beak.
off, and it's $15.
$15. There's a little sun colored also. Old sandwich comport. They only made one size comport. Anyways, $30.
Cabochon divided mayo with a nice cutting on the outside.
I don't think it's cabochon, Sarah. Turn it up. I don't think it's square
Revere.
on the bottom. Revere, yes, it's a Revere.
With 2 spoons, it's $30.
2 spoons and a cutting, 30 bucks. Here's a Hawthorne cucumber dish, $45.
Oak leaf coaster in Sahara. There is a chip on one of or roughness on the edge, and it's $15.
2 rooster stem cocktail glasses. One of them's got a itty bitty nick on the base. The other one's got a crack inside the bowl. $5 for both of them.
Orchid Waverly footed jelly, $17.50.
All right, Suez iced tea. What was the name of that cutting, Sarah?
Belvedere.
Belvedere cutting. I've never seen that cutting before, but we did look it up in the book, and it's definitely Belvedere Suez iced tea, 20 bucks a piece. You can take one or both of them. You drink your wine out of those. Those will hold plenty of wine.
Last piece is a Hartman candy. It does not have a lid with it. It has a nice cutting on the bowl and on the foot, and it's $20.
All right, there you go, folks. That's the end of the half price edition. Here, I'll give you a little plug for the show. We're going to be doing it in Dearborn, Michigan. The dates on it are November 4th and the 5th, 2023, Saturday and Sunday. We'll give you more information about this show later. That concludes our video for the day. Thank you for joining us with Half Price Thursday. And our motto is, we don't want to make any money. We just love to sell Heisey glassware.